According to NFPA, 49% of all fires in your home occur as a result of cooking, which is also the leading cause of residential fires year-round. Please remember these basic tips to ensure your family is safe during this holiday season. Never leave the kitchen while cooking on the stovetop. Do not leave your home while baking or cooking. Make use of timers to keep track of cooking times, particularly for foods that require longer cooking times. Keep things that can catch fire like oven mitts, wood utensils, food wrappers, and towels at least 3 feet from the cooking area. Avoid wearing long sleeves and hanging fabrics that could come in contact with a heat source. Always cook with a lid beside your pan. If you have a fire, slide the lid over the pan and turn off the burner. Do not remove the cover because the fire could easily start again. Then let the pan cool for a long time. Never put water on a stovetop fire. For an oven fire, turn off the heat and keep the door closed and contact the fire department immediately for assistance. Keep children out of the kitchen. And finally, Piedmont Fire Department wants to remind you to make sure all your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors are working. Happy holidays from the Piedmont Fire Department.